You'll be the star of your next holiday get-together if you bring these thick and soft cranberry, walnut, and white chocolate cookies. You can easily double or triple the recipe, and the cookies stay soft for days. And they are super easy to whip up. Let me show you how. Cream together 3 tablespoons of softened butter with 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Mix in 1 large egg yolk. Mix in a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now with a spoon, fold in your dry ingredients. I pre-sifted them before adding to the dough a half cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of table salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Do not overmix. Add in a 1/4 cup each of chopped white chocolate or white chocolate chips, chopped walnuts, and dried cranberries. Form into 4 balls weighing about 55 grams each. You can also make 3 really big cookies or 5 smaller ones. Chill the cookie dough for at least a half an hour, but overnight is best. Place the cookies on a parchment-lined pan, flatten slightly, and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven, preheated, for around 10 minutes depending on size. Cool for 20 to 30 minutes, then enjoy.